Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking a look at a platform called Grape or Grap3.com. Now essentially Grape is the only Web3 ecosystem for virtual worlds, but let's go ahead and take a look at it and talk about what I think about it and what it can do for you. Now before we get into this video, this is just a reminder that this is not financial advice, but let's go ahead and take a look at the project. Now Grape is, as you can see here on the home page, well, first of all, the website looks cool, but second of all, Grape's the first layer 1 decentralized infrastructure specifically designed to meet the needs of gaming and metaverse industries. Now, the difference between Grape and a lot of other projects is that Grape is actually truly decentralized. A lot of these projects can shut down their blockchain if they want to. Grape is not like that. Grape is basically, you can think of it as the next level or the next evolution of Bitcoin. Now, Grape created Vine, which is a proprietary DAG basis with multi-layer functionality. It's efficient, it's scalable, it's fast, and it's obviously designed for the gaming and metaverse industries. Now, you can read the tech paper if you want, but what it offers essentially is a launchpad. It offers smart contracts, biometric user access, DEX, AI-based coding, which is really important because with the new evolution of the AI space, we need a lot of integrations with AI, marketplace, quantum-resistant encryption, decentralized cloud storage, and of course, NFT standard transfer. Now, let's go ahead and talk more about what Vine does. Vine basically formulates the transaction tree without hitting linear limitation bottleneck. Now, what does that mean? Well, essentially, DAG is a mathematical basis that asynchronously generates entries in a decentralized ledger, which allows them to achieve an unprecedented 700,000 transactions per second. Now, to put that into context, that is a lot of transactions. It's about 3/4 the way to a million, so it definitely has the power to handle a lot of transactions and any transactions you need to make. Now, the primary goal of Grape is basically to create a fully decentralized infrastructure. They don't want any centralization in this, and that is one of the things that I think makes Grape so cool. Essentially, it offers a unique design that helps Grape's network performance grow with each new advanced node connected to it, allowing, obviously, 700k TPS. Now, let's talk essentially about the setup of Grape. So, obviously you have your advanced node, you have extra rewards, you have your basic node, and you have rewards. And all of this ties back into the validation of the infrastructure. It basically allows for launching of any Web3 apps with potential for unlimited scalability, which is actually why a lot of people are calling Grape essentially a Web4 project. It's taking Web3, it's decentralizing it, and it's integrating AI, and it's making it available at a very mass level. Basically, anyone is going to be able to access this and set it up. As you can see here, in terms of transactions per second and functionality, Grape is the leader compared to all of these other, essentially, crypto projects or platforms. Now, Grape is focused on the gaming industry and the metaverse, but it's not designed solely for gaming applications. It can work with basically any other applications as well. But let's go ahead and talk about the ecosystem for a second. Now, essentially the Grape's core principles are based on 6 pillars. So let's talk about them: security, storage, flexibility, scalability, compatibility, and adoption. Obviously, for adoption, it will simplify the creation of smart contracts by introducing AI-based coding. So you are able to leverage artificial intelligence with language models and text-to-code translator, so you'll be able to create smart contracts by formulating simple prompts. You're not going to have to actually code these smart contracts anymore. Their AI-based coding will integrate and help you out. Now, scalability, well, the network will split into shards to achieve effectively unlimited scalability. So, sharding makes participation in network validation more accessible, which in turn will push Grape to unparalleled performance. Compatibility, it will support interoperable NFTs, which basically allows users to transfer their items between games. This ensures that any of your game progress can be transferred, traded, or sold. Now, flexibility in terms of that, well, projects that require maximum flexibility will be able to even launch a branch chain and contribute to their infrastructure. Finally, let's talk about the security. It offers quantum resistance and a fundamental requirement in the post-quantum world. So it has a proprietary model. DART is based on the quantum-resistant encryption algorithm, which allows Grape to ensure comprehensive security. And of course, it offers storage as well. Now, we could look at the roadmap as well if we'd like. They have a roadmap planned out already. But if you do want to actually check out Grape or sign up, you can go ahead and sign up at buy.grape.com, which is buy.grape3.com. Let's go ahead and talk about, finally though, a bit more about Grape and talk about exactly what you need to know about this platform and what I think about it. Well, overall, I would say Grape has a lot to offer the coming, essentially, emergence of AI and crypto technologies. These technologies are already being merged, but with Grape, it's offering it in a different way. It's offering much more scalability, much more compatibility, and it's actually offering it in a way that is truly decentralized, as opposed to a lot of these crypto platforms, which are only semi-decentralized and don't really work in the way that Bitcoin was essentially created. So the way you can basically think of it is you're essentially getting into a Bitcoin-esque project at a price that you could never buy into Bitcoin at today. Now, Grape only has half of the tokens available that Bitcoin did, or BTC did. So basically, you're getting into a project with half the tokens at a price that is a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of the actual cost of BTC. So basically, it has a lot of promise. Now, once again, this isn't financial advice, but personally, I think that it could go on to be a very large and successful crypto platform. But that's going to do it for this video. So go ahead and let me know what you thought in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and check out Grape with the link in the description. But that's going to be it for this video, so I'll see you in the next one.